Sparrow Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Sparrow Wallet app is often called the power user's Bitcoin wallet. But is it too complex for the average investor? Let's break down the pros and cons to see what makes Sparrow stand out. Starting with the pros, Sparrow is all about control and transparency. It's a non-custodial Bitcoin wallet, meaning you hold your own private keys. Nothing is stored on company servers. Your Bitcoin truly belongs to you. Sparrow also offers advanced privacy and security features. It supports connections through Tor and hardware wallets like Ledger and Coldcard, making it one of the most secure desktop wallets available. You can even configure multi-signature setups, giving you extra protection against unauthorized access. Another major advantage is detailed transaction management. Sparrow gives users deep insight into how Bitcoin transactions work, including input control, labeling, and coin mixing options for enhanced privacy. That makes it ideal for users who care about privacy and self-sovereignty. The wallet also provides Lightning integration and supports features like Kjoin and Whirlpool for advanced users looking to maintain on-chain anonymity. Now, for the cons. Sparrow is Bitcoin only, so if you're holding Ethereum, Solana, or other altcoins, this wallet won't help you. Another issue is its complex interface. For beginners, Sparrow can feel intimidating. It's designed for people who already understand Bitcoin's technical side, not for someone buying their first Satoshi. Lastly, Sparrow is primarily a desktop wallet, meaning you can't use it on your phone. That limits its portability compared to mobile-friendly options. In conclusion, the Sparrow Wallet app is one of the most powerful Bitcoin tools available. The surprising truth? It's not built for everyone, but if you want complete control, privacy, and transparency, Sparrow delivers the kind of freedom most wallets only promise.